everyone. I just replaced the Nissan Versa oxygen sensor upstream. You know, up there, it's behind. So it's not record special tool. It just record 7/8. I use this. I'll show you. Just use this OEM 7/8. It's not a big one. I mean, it's not 22. The 7/8 one OEM, the one you guys get from Harbor Freight or anything, might not fit. And the phone number of the socket right here. That's the phone number. You can get it from this side, removing the battery and airbags on this side. Me already removed the intake manifold to do any other further stuffs. I did a valve cover and everything, so I reached out from this side. So for those, you don't have to remove the intake manifold. You can get it from this side, and you don't have to remove this. Still can get it from the other side. That's it. What's your order? So that's the phone number. And this is you can get it from AutoZone 7/8. Thanks.